In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in YouTube in your Brave browser. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is open up Brave and then go to youtube.com. Then from here on the top right hand corner, it says sign in. Go ahead and click on that sign in button. Now, what we need to do is sign into our Google account. So go ahead and put in your email or phone number, then click next. Then from here, we can go ahead and put in our password. Now, if you don't remember your password, we can go ahead and select try another way. Now, we can use a passkey if you got one, or try another way again. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and use my passkey. So I'm going to scan this on my mobile phone. So I've just scanned that QR code. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in on my device and then put in my thumbprint. Now that should sign me into my Google account, and in turn, it's going to sign me into YouTube. So if I come back here, it's going to see I am now signed into my account.